Welcome back to another episode of Pop-Up Sports Power Shop. I'm Jeff. Today we're continuing on the Project S10 V8 build, getting ready to take everything to the machine shop. Right now I'm going to pull the valve springs and valves out of the cylinder heads. It's pretty simple with just some easy hand tools. Show you, take it along and see how it's done, and you can do it yourself, save a little money. Okay, we got the cylinder head here. It's all ready to go. This thing's from 1994, so these things have been together for 30 years. I'm just going to tap each one of the retainers just to kind of break the seal loose. It don't take much. I'm not hitting it very hard. And on this engine, the exhausts and the intake and exhaust each have a different retainer, so it's probably a different install height. I'll have to check that after we get them apart. What we're going to do, we're going to flip it up this way. And I have a valve spring compressor here. I bought this from, I believe, Summit. It is a Lang Model 383A, made in USA. So what we're going to do is get this set up on here. Over the retainer. And push. I don't have this adjusted just quite right yet. We'll see if we can get these locks out. Sometimes a magnet can be helpful. That one did come out. We'll just release this. And there we go. There's the first exhaust valve spring out. And the retainer is right there. Now we're just going to do this 16 more times and we should be done. Move you into that angle so you can see a little better. Place this over the intake valve. Line that up. Compress it. Alright, sorry about that. I had the air compressor pop on. So we got the valve spring compressed. And we'll reach in here. These come out pretty easy. There's your two locks. We'll release this. And there's your intake spring. I'm going to go ahead and finish taking the rest of these off, and then we'll pull the valves out. All the springs and retainers are off. Go ahead and get the valves out. Each one of these has a small O-ring on here. I just got a little pick. We're going to get that out. Just pull that off the valve. Just like that. Now the exhaust have just an umbrella style seal, where the intakes actually have a more tighter seal. It's like a Teflon seal. Reason for that, exhaust valves run hotter, obviously, and you don't want the exhaust valve to bind up by having the seal too tight. So all this does is just keep the oil from running down to valve guide seals. And then you simply pull out your valves. Simple as that. Do do this for the other 7 cylinders, and we'll have our heads apart and ready to go to the machine shop.